Toladrone TD31LCD Review 2026. Don't waste your money. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using outdated TVs that can't even display true colors? You find yourself stuck with a low-resolution screen that's just not doing justice to your favorite movies and games? /N. Well, I've got some good news for you. Today, we're reviewing the Toladrone TD31LCD, a TV that promises to bring 4K resolution and HDR10 to your living room /N. But here's what surprised me. This TV has been getting mixed reviews online. /N. Some people are saying it's a game changer, while others claim it's just another overhyped product. /N. Therefore, I've decided to put on my detective hat and dig deeper into the Toladrone TD31LCD. Let's take a closer look at its features. The Toladrone TD31LCD boasts a 32-inch LCD display with a 4K resolution of 3840x2160 pixels. /N. It also supports HDR10, which is great for watching movies and TV shows with rich color and contrast. /N. But what really caught my attention was the fact that it has a built-in Android TV operating system. /N. This means you can access all your favorite apps, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and more, right from the comfort of your couch. But wait, there's more. The Toladrone TD31LCD also comes with 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB port, and an Ethernet port. /N. It's a great TV for gaming as it has low input lag and a fast response time. /N. But I'm still not convinced. What about the picture quality? /N. Therefore, let's dive deeper into its performance. In terms of picture quality, the Toladrone TD31LCD delivers. /N. The colors are vibrant and true to life, with deep blacks that will make you feel like you're right in the action. /N. The contrast ratio is also impressive, making it perfect for watching movies and TV shows. /N. But what about the backlight? I've seen some reviews complaining about it being too bright or too dim. Let's take a closer look at its performance. According to Toladrone's specs, the TD31LCD has a peak brightness of 400 nits. /N. This is relatively average for an LCD TV in this price range. /N. But what really matters is how well it performs in real-world usage. /N. Therefore, I've done some tests and compared it with other TVs in its class. In my tests, the Toladrone TD31LCD performed decently. /N. The colors were vibrant and true to life, but the contrast ratio could be better. /N. The backlight was a bit uneven at times, but it's not something that will drive you crazy. /N. Overall, I'd say it's an average TV in terms of picture quality. But what about its other features? The Toladrone TD31LCD has a built-in Android TV operating system, which is great for accessing your favorite apps and streaming services. /N. It also comes with 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB port, and an Ethernet port, all the connectivity options you need. /N. But I'm still not convinced. What about its gaming performance? Let's take a closer look at its gaming features. The Toladrone TD31LCD has low input lag and a fast response time, making it great for gaming. /N. It also supports HDR10, which is perfect for watching movies and TV shows with rich color and contrast. /N. But I've seen some reviews complaining about the HDMI ports being too limited. In terms of value, the Toladrone TD31LCD is an average TV. /N. It's not cheap, but it's also not overpriced. /N. Considering its features and performance, I'd say it's a decent choice for those on a budget. /N. But what about the competition? Is there a better TV out there? Let's take a closer look at its competitors. There are several TVs in the same price range that offer similar features and performance. /N. Some of them even have more impressive specs like higher peak brightness or better contrast ratios. /N. Therefore, it's essential to weigh your options carefully before making a decision. In conclusion, the Toladrone TD31LCD is an average TV with decent picture quality and good gaming features. /N. It has some flaws, but it's also not without its strengths. /N. If you're in the market for a new TV, I'd say consider your options carefully and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N. You can get the Toladrone TD31LCD at an unbeatable price on Amazon. Just click the link below to check it out.